Hi friends, today I was working on a project. I was coding in my VS Code editor and getting instant output on my same window screen. And one of my colleague asked me how I am working on two softwares on same window screen at a time. So I thought I should make a video on that. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. Also for doing the same, open your software, whatever you want to open, press window plus down key and open your another software and press window plus down key again.
It will save your switching time from one window to another window, and you can work efficiently. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.